The Curious Ant and the Wise Owl. Once upon a time, in a lush forest, there lived a curious little ant named Andy. Andy was unlike other ants. He didn't just scurry around collecting food. Instead, he spent hours observing the world around him. He marveled at the tall trees, the sparkling dewdrops, and the intricate spider webs. One sunny morning, Andy noticed a majestic owl perched on a branch. The owl, named Oliver, was known for his wisdom. His eyes sparkled like ancient stars, and his feathers were as soft as moonlight. Andy decided to approach Oliver and seek knowledge. "Hello, wise Oliver," Andy said. "I've always wondered why we ants work so hard. What's the purpose of our tiny lives?" Oliver blinked slowly and replied, Young one, your question is profound. Listen carefully. Each creature has a role in this vast ecosystem. Ants build tunnels, bees pollinate flowers, and owls like me keep the balance by hunting rodents." "But why?" Andy persisted. Oliver spread his wings and said, "Because life is interconnected. Your tiny tunnels aerate the soil, allowing plants to grow. Bees ensure the flowers bloom, which feeds other insects and animals, and my hunting keeps rodent populations in check." Andy pondered this. But what about happiness? Do we ants ever get to enjoy life beyond work? Oliver chuckled. "Happiness lies not in the grandeur of our tasks, but in the purpose we find within them. When you build a tunnel, feel the satisfaction of contributing to the colony. When you gather food, know that it sustains your kin. And when you explore, cherish the wonder of discovery." Andy nodded, grateful for Oliver's wisdom. From that day on, he worked diligently but also took time to watch sunsets, smell wildflowers, and share stories with fellow ants. He found joy in both duty and leisure. And so, the curious ant and the wise owl became unlikely friends. They would meet at sunset, Oliver perched on a branch, Andy sitting nearby. They'd exchange stories, the owl sharing ancient legends, and the ant recounting adventures from the forest floor. One evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, Oliver said, "Andy, remember this. Life is a delicate dance. Work hard, but also savor the sweetness of existence. Balance duty with wonder, and you'll find contentment." And so, Andy learned that purpose wasn't just about labor, it was about embracing life fully. He taught his fellow ants the same, and soon the entire colony hummed with a newfound appreciation for both toil and play. And that, my friend, is the lesson. Work diligently, but never forget to marvel at the world around you, for in that balance lies true fulfillment.